Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. And today I've got a 2019 270 Sea Ray Sundeck. Absolutely wonderful boat, whether you're boating here in Southwest Florida, on a lake, or wherever it might be. This is absolutely the Swiss Army knife of runabouts. Start up here on the front with anchor windlass. This can be operated from the dash or from up here at the bow. Also, you've got the stainless steel anchor, which is an upgrade. We also have a wash down here so that if you want to come up over the bow or wash the anchor down, either one. Great storage under each seat forward, as well as the storage down in the floor. Armrest up here in the bow area, so you got plenty of room to sit and enjoy. Also, we can close off with inclement weather very easily the windscreen and this door, or we can snap the cockpit cover on the bow and block out the wind that way. As we head towards the helm, you're going to notice this boat has not only the nice Mercury single lever digital controls, but the Simrad glass dash as well. This boat has 109 hours on it on this 300 Merc. Absolutely nice boat, ready to go. Fusion stereo, as well as your power steering back to the hydraulic steering. In the head compartment, nice big head area here with the pump out head. Helm seat, or excuse me, companion seat can either be pushed in this position so that you can lay out here, or forward so that your guests can enjoy being below the windscreen. Also notice this boat has the full tower as well as the extended bimini top, so plenty of shade here in the cockpit area. Nice big lounge seating back here. We also have our table that goes right here. You'll see that in the photographs. Nice big storage area down below. You'll also notice the lighting, the indirect lighting under the seat here as well. So nice big 8.5 foot beam, plenty of room for guests and people here. Once again, seating over here, great storage under here where our cooler stores. This boat has dual batteries, also a ski pylon on the back, as well as from the tower where you can pull the wakeboard. As we step back here to the back, with being an outboard, you got lots of great storage underneath these seats back here, but also these seats will pull up so that you can make a nice little chaise lounge area here to sit and enjoy the back. One of the nice features on the 270 is you do have a full swim platform here on the back. Absolutely a wonderful boat. This one is available and ready to go. 2019 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Give me a call.